find out the value of this. First we can write this is the 1 minus, and this is the 1, and this is the minus 1 is the power of this. So we can write this is the 1 minus x to the power cube. This is power here. So this is the 1. This is the minus 1. So you can write this, and this is the minus 1, and this is the 1 by 3. And now this is the 1, and we LCM, there is the LCM is 1 minus x to the power cube. This is the LCM, and this is the power is 1. So power is 1, and this is the similar. So this is the LCM. So there is the 1 minus x to the power cube. This is, and this is the minus, and this is the 1, and this is the minus 1, and this is the 1 minus cube. And now there is the 1 minus, and this is the cut, and there is the minus x cube, and this is the 1 minus x cube, and this is the minus 1, and this is the minus 1 by 3. And now again this is the 1, and this is the minus, and this is the minus 1 is the total of power. So revise this. So we can write this is the 1 minus x to the power cube is above, and there is the minus x cube. This is the power, and this is the 1 minus 3. And now again this is the 1, and this is the minus. So minus and this minus, so there is the plus, and this is, we can write the 1 minus x to the power cube, and there is the x cube, and we can write this is the power minus 1 by 3. And now again there is the x cube is LCM. So there is the x cube, and this is the plus, this plus, and this is the 1, and this is the minus x cube, and there is the 1 minus 3. And now this is cut. So there is the 1, and there is the x cube, and this is the 1 minus 1 by 3. And again this is the inverse, minus, so this is the inverse. So there is the inverse is this x cube, and this is the 1, and there is the 1 minus 1 by 3. This is inverse. And so there is the cut. So there is the x, and this is the 1 is 1 by 3. So this is the value is 1, and this is the x cube is cut, and so there is the value is x. So this total value is the x. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.